Everybody used to be being loud, hanging out, making moves all over town, riding big cars, showcasing my style. Everybody wanna know what's going down, but that's not how I'm living now. I did a 360, turn my whole life around. Now I roll with Jesus, yeah, I like how that sound. I wanna go to heaven where there's no sin allowed. The sin is like a burden and chain. People say I'm different since I came out the game. Now they know I'm Christian, so they think I'm a lame. But I don't care because I'm gonna worship you.
Hey my beauties, this is Cece, your frugal goddess. I'm coming to you today with a wig review. This wig I have on, oh my goodness, y'all, it is absolutely gorgeous. This is like the best bob of 2018, for real, for real. And if you, my glasses are dirty. If you guys have noticed, I have been doing bobs lately. Number one, it is hot as panther pits here in New Mexico. So, all the hair on my back and neck, I can't do it. So, hold on 1 minute, y'all. Okay, sorry about that. My son was getting out the shower. But anywho, I have been doing the bobs and stuff. And let me just give you a 360 of this one right here. This is absolutely gorgeous. Let me see. I don't know if I could do it. Let me see if I can zoom in. I don't know how to zoom in, y'all. Okay, no, I can't. But I'll scoot up. It is like an asymmetrical bob. It's coming this way. And then this side is a little longer. It has the flip bang right here. Now, as you can see from the video, it came with lace. It is just a thin bit of lace, but it is a long lace parting. And right here, you can see it in the video. It has the adjustable straps in the back. The parting was kind of full, so I plucked the parting. Okay, I have not added any powder or anything to it today. And then also what I did, oh, this is way over there. Let me see if I can pull it. Okay. What I did also was, because the wig was kind of poofy, I took my electric straightening comb and I just went through there. And let me tell you this, the quality of this wig is really, really good, because the straightening comb, I had it on, and most of my heating products, straighteners, whatever, they have an automatic, they turn off automatically. So this particular one does not, and I had it on and did not realize it was still on. And so I went over it again I went over the this part, you know, the parting area, to flatten it a little bit with the comb, and it did not burn the fiber. So this is a really, really high quality fiber, because this comb can straighten my natural hair. And I'm here to tell you, my natural hair is nappy as a sheep butt, okay? So, yes, good quality. This is very, very good quality. Again, you saw in the video, it has 2 combs in the front. Hold on. Oh, she went the other way. It has 2 combs in the front, and the comb in the back with the adjustable straps. The cap fit is very, very good. Yesterday I wore her. I did not have the straps adjusted, and they were just hooked into the last 2 hooks back there. And you guys, she fit really, really good. Of course, I always put bobby pins right here so my wig won't slide back. Right now, I have nothing adhering her but the adjustable straps. I don't use the combs because, you know, you can see my thoughts in the front of my head. So, but yes, y'all, this hair is so beautiful. I mean, the way it falls. Y'all, I was just feeling myself yesterday. I will post pictures. There are pictures in the intro with me with her on, all made up and looking cute. And I will also put a small video at the end of her with me made up and everything. But I just had to come on and let you guys see just how beautiful this wig is. It is absolutely the best bob of 2018. This is the best one I have had. The fiber, the way it falls, minimum work. You know what I'm saying? Of course, me personally, I love a shake and go, but I did have to put, like I said, minimal work into this. I ran over the part. I flattened the part out, you know, with my straightener, my straightening comb, and then I plucked a few hairs from the part. It could probably stand a little bit more part plucking, but I'm not going to do anything else. Like I said, I love this unit. I will include all the information down below in the beauty box. The other thing I want to tell you guys to do is I'm going to include some links to my website and also to This Diva's on a Budget, $40 and under. It's on Facebook. It's a room on Facebook. Please go over there and check out some of the dresses and stuff that I have available over there. They are absolutely gorgeous. They have not been added to the website yet. They are all at an introductory price of $40. Here's a picture here and here of the dresses that I am selling, and they are plus size, brand new. They're not anything that I've recycled or anything. They are all brand new. Very, very good quality. Again, they are $40. Please go over there and just check out the room. It's all type of deals and bargains over there. So, you guys, again, if you are a bob wearer, if you're a wig wearer, you need this in your collection, okay? That's it. That's all. You need it in your collection because we all have those moments where we may have a job interview. We may have somewhere where we need to go, and we need to have that nice look of being conservative but very, very classy. And this is it. The best bob of 2018, conservative and classy, okay? Or classy, as I like to call it, classy and sexy, okay? This is it. Oh, my camera did something. Let me see if I can get it to focus. I don't know. It's doing something. It must be telling me it's tired. So with that, I want you to have a beautiful, beautiful, blessed rest of your day. I want you to remember to please, please tell somebody you love them. Don't wait too late because, I don't know. Don't wait too late. And always, always remember to be your own kind of beautiful. Later.
Everybody used to be being loud, hanging out, making moves all over town. Riding big cars, showcasing my style.